It's my first time talking to a camera in about a year and a half or a year or something stupid. So today we're hauling the boat out. It's a beautiful day. It's the first time hauling out, first time moving the boat, first time leaving the berth as owners of this boat. So very excited, nervous, shit my pants, all the things that come with doing something you've never done for the first time. We're hauling out to do 4 main jobs. We got the cutlass bearing, stern tube seal, anti-foul and transducer. A lot on, basically. Those 4 jobs I'm sure are going to blow out to be about 10 jobs. But we just got to roll with the punches. This is what it is. Nikki's not here. I pick her up tomorrow. She's at work. The boat was anti-fouled last year. When we bought it, we got it pulled out of the water and surveyed and anti-fouled while it was out. So it should be not too bad. It's just sat in the marina the whole time. Hopefully we give it a clean off and slap a new coat on and should be all good to go. Yeah, the wind's not too bad, but it is picking up and it's a couple of hours until we need to move the boat. So I'm playing with these scissors because I'm all awkward and weird in front of a camera. It's been a while. And yeah, let's throw the lines and do this. Let's do it. I'm scared. Let's go. Hang on. Where's the middle? That's the middle. Yeah, I'm hard that way, bro.
No, just let it go back.
Yeah.
Right, you twist it really hard to get held right across.
Yeah.
Down.
Just go slow, steady.
Right. Stand like that and put it in gear. Stand like that. Beautiful. See, you know how to do it.
We're all good. Look at it go, John. Fucking beauty.
Oh, he's back on the deck's hot.
Yeah, it's hot as hell, isn't it? Thanks, Steve-O. Nick could be spewing, she's not here.
The first?
Fuck yeah. Yeah, wind caught me. Yeah. Hey? Yeah. You beauty.
You can breathe now.
Yeah. So it was pretty good getting it onto the trolley. Only took 2 tries. The wind caught me the first time. We're on the hard now, and now the hard work starts. So I'm gonna try and get the shaft off today. That's my goal for today, and really have a good look at the P bracket because it looks a little bit suspect. Kind of looks like there's a bit of water behind the bracket, but we won't know until I start digging into it. So yeah, shaft out. Let's do it. So this is our engine bay. It's pretty good. Super easy access, well, as far as most boats go. There's our shaft. There's the old Maincraft stern gland. It's like a little bellows system. These 2 faces meet up, but she's getting a bit long in the tooth, so time for a new one. So we'll be replacing that this week. So I'm gonna start ripping it out, and we'll see how it looks underneath. So for the shaft out, I've got these 4 bolts in there. Take the old gland off, and Bob's your auntie. She's gonna come straight out, and it's gonna be the easiest job of the boat. Next minute. Got that all loosened off. It was pretty easy, which is good. Shaft will need a little bit of a cleanup. Not too bad. So cut that off, and hopefully we can slide. I'll undo these bolts and hopefully get the shaft out. We'll see. Okay, so little wins. I've detached the shaft from the coupling. It's just the 4 bolts. I've got to remember to put that earth back on. Now I've just got to get this bit off the shaft. I'm sure that's the fun bit. So, yes, time for the fun. Okay, first attempt didn't work, but I've just come up with an idea. So I'll just put these bolts through here. Hopefully it doesn't damage this couplings. This thing is like poly. It's like a spacer to make the right bolt pattern. So I'll just put these bolts in here. So hopefully if I slide it out, it'll go bang and this will pop off. And yeah, that's the idea anyway. Let's see if it works. Well, that didn't work, so plan C. I heard somebody call this a guy-brater once, and my life has never been the same. So, what a day. So I've been trying to get it off this puller, right? And then I thought, hang on a second. I don't know if you can see this. Have a look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like 2 little holes in there. And then I had a thought, and I was like, oh, there's that weird tool I've got deep in the spares box that looks like this. And I was like, no way. And there was like, yeah, and I was like, yeah. Sorry, I'm going crazy. I was like, oh my god, it's a screw-on coupling. So everything that I've seen about getting these couplings off shafts, you use a puller and they've got a keyway, but it looks like this has a thread. Oh my god. So, all right, let's see if this works. That, what the hell? Goes in the end there. Okay. How the hell am I supposed to do this? So, somehow I've got to hold the shaft. I might go tie it with a rope outside. Let me see how it goes. Oh my god, I've just done it. So, I had to make this tool to hold the coupling. It's just a bit of angle with hole drilled in it. And the bolt through there. Through there. As you can see. So this coupling has a nut in here. It doesn't just pull off. Oh my good lord. My whole day, basically. What the hell? And now I should be able to get the coupling off. God. Sometimes. It's moments like this, you know. This is what makes you. Have a look at this. Disaster. Absolute disaster. Oh well. Okay. Let's get the coupling off. Sweat. I'm just a lather of sweat. Disgusting. Yuck. Yeah. So I've been trying all day to bang those threads out. Oh my lord. Oh well. You know, you learn something every day. I always wondered what this dodgy looking tool was for, and now I know. It's gonna be funny editing this video and seeing how many times I sigh and grunt. So this is my dodgy little setup I've been doing. I can get this off. My hands are just destroyed. Have a look at that blister. Hell yeah. Like a blister in the sun. Oh, yeah! Oh my god. Tell you what. Unbelievable. And there, that is the tip of the puller. See if I can get it out. It's jammed in the end of the shaft. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Hopefully I didn't destroy the thread. Oh my god. Oh, sweet. Okay. Join me outside where we pull the shaft out. Actually, it's dark, so I might do it in the morning. Nah, we'll do it. We're doing it now. Sun's gone down. Beautiful evening. Beautiful evening to get your coupling off and pull the shaft out. think I have to pull the prop off to get the shaft out. Definitely. So I have to get the prop off to get the shaft out. Well, my goal for today was to get the shaft out. That's a big fat fail. Do you remember this morning when I said these 4 jobs are going to turn into 10 jobs? Yep.
Okay, that was bloody hectic.
My back hurts. My hands feel like they've been hit with hammers, because they have. So, there's probably things you shouldn't do when you're drinking. Like fruit holes. Hold this. Don't drop it. I'm going to get the instruction. I'm pioneering a new method of dust management. And that's the new one. Success.